Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm here to teach you about some water-saving techniques. When it comes to saving water, it is common sense, but I don't think people realize exactly how much water you're wasting when you let the sink run while you're washing your face or your hands or brushing your teeth. You're really jacking through the roof when you do things like that. If you can get in the habit of turning the water off while you're brushing your teeth and turning the water off while you lather your hands with the soap, turning the water off while you're scrubbing your face. Things like this are what's going to save you huge money. You're using the water 2, 3, 4, 5 times as much if you keep the water running. Another thing you need to invest in if you live in an older home is a water saver shower head. Nowadays, there are new government regulations when it comes to shower heads, and all shower heads that are sold within the last couple of years already have water savers built into them. So make sure if you buy an older home that you check out the shower head and make sure it is a water saver kind. This does not mean you're going to lose water pressure. They've really perfected the technique of making water saver shower heads that still have great water pressure, and they are going to save you a lot of money also. Another thing, obviously, if you have a leaky sink, a leaky faucet, a running toilet, anything like that, call a plumber. Fix your leaks. You may not realize that that little tiny drip that's coming down every couple of seconds is costing you big money every month until you get it fixed. Plus, you're saving the environment. You want to conserve as much water as you can because the animals out in the ocean need that water. There are lots of things you can do to save water around your house. Just use common sense, fix any leaks that you may have or any running water, and turn the water off when you don't need it, and get a water saver shower head. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and those are water saving techniques.